why most businesses fail and how to fix yours first. Let me say this clearly. Most businesses don't fail because people are lazy. They fail because the business was never clear in the first place. And this is painful because many people watching me right now are not lazy at all. You are trying, you are posting, you are learning, you are showing up, but nothing is moving. If that is you, I want you to stay with me, because today I'm going to explain why most businesses fail and how you can fix yours starting now. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Most businesses fail because of confusion, not because of lack of money, not because of lack of talent, not because of lack of effort, but confusion. Confusion about what the business actually does. Confusion about who it is meant to serve. Confusion about what problem it really solves. And when a business is confused, customers feel it immediately. They don't know why they should stop. They don't know why they should listen. They don't know why they should trust you. And confused people don't buy. They scroll, they skip, they move on. Many people think business failure comes from not having capital. That is not true. I have seen businesses with money fail. I have seen businesses with talent fail. I have seen hard-working people still struggle. Because clarity was missing. And without clarity, growth becomes heavy and frustrating. Now, let me talk about the biggest mistake beginners make. This one mistake alone can destroy more businesses than lack of money ever will. Trying to help everybody. They say things like, I help everyone. My business is for everyone. Anyone can buy from me. It sounds kind. It sounds open. But it kills growth. Because when you speak to everyone, no one truly listens. Your message becomes weak your content becomes scattered. Your audience becomes confused, and growth slows down. At our Pearl Academy, we teach this very clearly. Focus creates power. The more specific you are, the stronger your message becomes. And that is where business growth really starts. Now, let me show you how to fix this properly. Step 1 in business growth is clarity. Not content, not ads, not social media hacks. Clarity. You must be able to answer 3 simple questions honestly. Who do I help? What problem are they struggling with right now? How do I help them solve it? That's it. If you can't answer this clearly, everything else feels hard. Let me say something important here. You don't need a logo yet. You don't need a website yet. You don't need followers yet. These things will come later. What you need first is clarity. Because clarity gives direction. And direction gives confidence. Let me give you an example. A confused business says, I do business and marketing. That sounds nice, but it means nothing. A clear business says, I help struggling small business owners use social media to get customers. Now, that is powerful. You immediately know who they help, what the problem is, what the solution looks like. Clarity attracts the right people. Let me show you the difference in real life. A struggling business posts randomly. Today they talk about motivation. Tomorrow they talk about sales. Next week they copy someone else. They change direction every week. They chase trends. They feel tired and frustrated. A focused business is different. They know who they serve. They talk about one main problem. They share solutions consistently. They grow trust slowly but strongly. Same effect, same effort, very different results. This is why I always say this. Growth is not about doing more. It is about doing the right things in the right order. And clarity is always first. Now, I want you to pause and do something simple. This is not theory. This is practical. Write this sentence and complete it honestly. Are you ready? I help dash who are struggling with dash by dash. Take your time. Do not overthink it. Do not try to sound big. Just be clear. That sentence is the foundation of your business. If this is wrong, everything else will feel confusing. If it is right, things start to make sense. Let me leave you with this truth. If the foundation is wrong, growth is impossible. But when the foundation is right, growth becomes lighter. You stop guessing, you stop copying, you start building with purpose. In part 2, I will show you how to get people to actually see your business, even if nobody knows you right now. So subscribe, stay connected, and watch the next video. This is Alpella Academy, Mentor Me Expert, and here we build businesses the right way.